Today, we delve deep into the realms of self-discovery and transformation. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, ensuring you never miss the profound insights we share. Now, let's unravel the secrets that your future self desperately wants you to know. The power of self-belief. Your future self wants you to understand the immense power of self-belief. Embrace the confidence that resides within you. Believe in your dreams, your abilities, and your potential. When you trust yourself, you pave the way for a future filled with opportunities and achievements. Your belief in yourself shapes the reality you will step into. Embracing change as a constant. Change is the only constant in life, and your future self urges you to embrace it wholeheartedly. Life's evolution brings growth, learning, and new beginnings. Instead of fearing change, embrace it as a friend. Every twist and turn in your journey is a chance for transformation. When you accept change, you align yourself with the natural flow of life, opening doors to unforeseen blessings. The magic of gratitude. Gratitude is a magical force that your future self knows all too well. Cultivate gratitude for every moment, every experience, and every person in your life. Gratitude transforms your perspective, allowing you to see the beauty in every situation. By appreciating what you have, you invite abundance into your future. Gratitude is the key to unlocking the doors of limitless possibilities. The importance of self-care. Your future self emphasizes the importance of self-care. Nurture your body, mind, and soul. Prioritize your well-being. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to connect with your inner self. When you take care of yourself, you replenish your energy, enabling you to face challenges with resilience. Self-care is not selfish. It's a foundation for a vibrant future. The significance of living in the present. The present moment is a precious gift that your future self wants you to cherish. Be fully present in everything you do. When you live in the present, you experience life's richness. Mindfulness anchors you to the now, allowing you to appreciate the small wonders around you. The present is the canvas upon which your future is painted. By savoring the present, you create a future infused with mindful awareness and fulfillment. The wisdom in learning from failures. Failures are not setbacks. They are stepping stones to success. Your future self understands that every failure carries invaluable lessons. Embrace failures as opportunities to learn, grow, and evolve. When you face challenges with resilience and a willingness to learn, you transform setbacks into stepping stones. Your future self urges you to persist in the face of failures, for they are the raw material from which triumphs are crafted. The transformative power of forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself, and your future self knows its transformative power. Let go of grudges and resentments. Forgive others, and most importantly, forgive yourself. Forgiveness liberates your soul from the burdens of the past. It opens the door to healing, inner peace, and emotional freedom. When you forgive, you create space for love, joy, and compassion to flourish in your future. The importance of authentic connections. Your future self values authentic connections deeply. Cultivate meaningful relationships based on authenticity, trust, and mutual respect. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Authentic connections nourish your soul, providing support and encouragement. In genuine relationships, you find strength and companionship, enriching your journey toward the future you desire. The impact of positive thoughts. Your thoughts shape your reality, and your future self wants you to harness the power of positivity. Cultivate a positive mindset. Replace self-doubt and negativity with self-affirmation and optimism. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. When you believe in the goodness of life, you invite favorable circumstances into your future. Your thoughts are like seeds. Plant positivity, and watch your future bloom with abundance and joy. The beauty of life beyond comfort zones. Your future self urges you to step beyond your comfort zones. Growth occurs when you challenge yourself and explore the unknown. Embrace change and unfamiliar experiences. Your future self resides in the uncharted territories of your potential. Every moment of discomfort is an opportunity for expansion. Embracing challenges propels you toward a future brimming with confidence, resilience, and extraordinary achievements. The significance of patience and perseverance. Patience and perseverance are the pillars upon which your future rests. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fulfilling future. Be patient with yourself and your journey. Persevere through obstacles and setbacks. Your dreams may take time to materialize, but with persistence, they will manifest. Your future self applauds your endurance, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to the future you envision. The transformative energy of love. Love is the most potent force in the universe, and your future self understands its transformative energy. Love unconditionally, yourself, others, and the world around you. Love fosters understanding, compassion, and unity. When you operate from a place of love, you create a future filled with harmonious relationships and boundless joy. Love is the cornerstone of a future brimming with fulfillment and contentment. The necessity of setting boundaries. Your future self advocates for setting healthy boundaries. Learn to say no when necessary. Protect your time, energy, and emotional well-being. Setting boundaries is an act of self-love and self-respect. It ensures that you invest your resources wisely, fostering balance and inner harmony. When you establish boundaries, you create a future in which your priorities are honored and your dreams are pursued with focus and determination. The wisdom in continuous learning. Your future self encourages you to be a lifelong learner. Knowledge is a powerful tool that propels you toward your goals. Stay curious and open-minded. Explore new interests and acquire new skills. Education fuels your potential and expands your horizons. In the pursuit of knowledge, you discover innovative solutions, unlocking doors to a future rich with opportunities and intellectual fulfillment. The power of visualization and manifestation. Visualization is the blueprint of your future, and your future self is well acquainted with its potency. Envision the life you desire with clarity and detail. Engage all your senses in this mental imagery. Visualization activates the law of attraction, drawing your dreams toward you. Combine visualization with positive affirmations and unwavering belief, and you become the architect of your destiny. Manifest your dreams into reality by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your envisioned future. The freedom in letting go of attachments. Attachments to material possessions, relationships, or identities can weigh you down, hindering your progress. Your future self advises you to let go of attachments that no longer serve your growth. Detach from outcomes and embrace the impermanence of life. When you release attachments, you free yourself from unnecessary burdens. Letting go creates space for new experiences and relationships, paving the way for a future unencumbered by the weight of attachments. The joy in practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a beacon of light that guides your future. Your future self encourages you to practice gratitude daily. Acknowledge the blessings in your life, both big and small. Gratitude amplifies positivity. Self-love is the cornerstone of a fulfilling future. Your future self emphasizes the importance of loving yourself unconditionally. Treat yourself with kindness, respect, and compassion. When you love yourself, you set the standard for how others should treat you. Self-love nurtures your self-esteem and self-worth, creating a future where you attract love and positivity into your life. The significance of ethical living. Ethical living is a conscious choice that shapes your future and the world around you. Your future self advocates for ethical choices in all aspects of life. Environmental conservation, ethical consumerism, and compassionate living. Live in harmony with nature and all living beings. Your ethical choices contribute to a future where compassion and sustainability prevail. The transformative energy of gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling is a powerful practice your future self embraces. Every day, write down the things you are grateful for. Gratitude journaling shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. It cultivates a positive perspective, making you aware of the blessings in each moment. By expressing gratitude, you invite more blessings into your future, creating a life filled with abundance and appreciation.